Diabetes. Oh, once on insulin, always on insulin. Maybe not. Ain't necessarily so. Many of you are familiar with this, but here's a muscle cell, and our muscle cells burn sugar called glucose, and you got to get the sugar into the cells in order to burn them. And there's little doorways, if you will, on the surface of the cell that has to be opened to allow the sugar in. And what allows those little doorways to open is a molecule called insulin, and you need that to get the glucose into the cell. But if there's so much fat in your diet, and if the muscle cells are all filled with fat called intramyocellular lipid, intra is inside, myo is muscle, cellular cells, lipids, so intramyocellular lipid, this is fat inside of muscle cells. The fat clogs up the insulin receptors, so the insulin doesn't work, so the blood sugar piles up out in the bloodstream, and people have signs of diabetes. Well, get people on a whole food, plant-based diet and yank out not only the meat and the cheese, but the olive oil and all the fats, and this stuff disappears, the insulin receptors open up, and diabetes goes away. Here you can see the intramyocellular lipid, and this is now becoming common knowledge.